participation.
That's Ruel from Philippine Banda University, junior member. That's another phase of bartending. Actually we have four phases in bartending. We have the classic bartending, which is the second table, the one they're doing at the second table. Right side and the left side is the ginawag na to working prayer. Kaya bahatod karon. Atong sa kan Ruel katong bata, moto gitawag na to flare bartending. And the latest important na natagitawag ng mixology, bar mixology, molecular mixology. So, thank you, Ruel, for your special participation.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Louis P. Calusag will now make an international cocktail, vodka tonic. Are you ready? Time start now.
Yeah. Maratol kita ba? Sige. Relax lang yung buwang ba? Relax lang yung buwang. Tawa ka. Sa intro kayo. Di ba na Long Island Ice Tea? Gusto ko yung Long Island Ice Tea dito ba? Kasi garnish ano? Half size! Garnish!
Time 1 minute.
Pangit kinabunot kay.
Garnish, we garnish, bubuk.
Pangit kita mo nabunot kid.